Car number 1, 1962 Chevrolet Impala and $1,800. Location, Springfield, Missouri. This 1962 Chevrolet Impala is a classic that's just waiting for the right hands to bring it back to life. With its four-door hardtop design and original 283 Powerglide automatic transmission, this beauty holds plenty of potential. Though it doesn't run at the moment, it has a solid frame and a good structure overall with some rusted floor pans that will need attention. If you're ready to dive into a true restoration project, this Impala offers an authentic foundation to start with. Car number 2, 1979 Dodge Magnum GT, $1,600. Location, San Marcos, Texas. Here's a rare find, a 1979 Dodge Magnum GT that runs with a V8 360 engine. This project car needs a carburetor cleaning and brake check to get back on the road. The body has some rust as it came from Iowa, but new tires and a battery have already been installed. With a little work, this could be a true cruiser. Ready to take on this $1,600 classic? Car number 3, 1970 Ford Maverick, $1,500. Location, McCalla, Alabama. The 1970 Ford Maverick is a great budget-friendly project. Powered by a 200 CI 6-cylinder engine and C4 automatic transmission, it runs and shifts well. While it needs brake work and some rust repair on the rear taillight panel and trunk lid, this Maverick has good potential as a restoration project. Looking for a classic ride with personality? This Maverick might be the one. Car number 4, 1975 Mercury Comet, $1,950. Location, Birmingham, Alabama. This 1975 Mercury Comet runs and drives beautifully, ready for a light restoration project. It's powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine and comes with factory AC and power steering. The main fix here is the floor pan on the driver's side, with a few cosmetic issues that could use attention. Whether you're looking to restore or partially trade, this Comet could be a great project car to consider. Car number 5, 1979 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe, $1,500. Location, Van Buren, Arkansas. Next up, this 1979 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe offers solid potential for those looking to start a restoration. The motor turns over and it's in fair condition with good bones. It'll need some additional parts, but it's ready for someone who wants to bring it back to its former glory. With a title in hand, this Skylark could be your next restoration adventure. Car number 6, 1976 Buick Regal, $1,700. Location, North Little Rock, Arkansas. The 1976 Buick Regal is another classic project car. It runs with a solid engine and transmission, plus a newly installed exhaust system. The body and interior need attention. But with a clean title and negotiable price, this Regal offers great potential for a full restoration. Car number 7, 1966 AMC Ambassador 990, $1,500. Location, Fairfield, Illinois. Here's a vintage 1966 AMC Ambassador 990 ready for restoration. Equipped with a running 287 engine and recent upgrades like a Record radiator and new brakes, this car has solid mechanical bones. The front floor pans are rusted, so it's ideal as a restoration or parts car. A true classic for a collector looking to bring this Ambassador back to life. Car number 8, 1967 Ford Galaxy, $1,800. Location, White Post, Virginia. This 1967 Ford Galaxy is a solid foundation for restoration, powered by a 289 engine that last ran 2 years ago. With classic styling and loads of potential, it's waiting for someone ready to put in the time. Priced at $1,800 with the title included, this Galaxy could be a fantastic restoration journey. Car number 9. 1951 Chrysler Imperial Sedan 1750. Location, Harrison, Ohio, a 1951 Chrysler Imperial with incredible patina and a lot of character. This unique project car includes a straight-six flathead engine, though it's currently locked up. With a clean Indiana title and original steel wheels, this Imperial is ideal for anyone looking for a distinctive classic to restore. Car number 10, 1976 Pontiac Ventura, $1,000. Location, Huron, South Dakota. This 1976 Pontiac Ventura is a budget-friendly option with a 260 V8 engine that hasn't run in about 10 years. The engine is loose and it has a title, making it a great restoration project. If you're ready to bring this classic back to life, this Ventura is priced to sell. Car number 11, 1975 AMC Pacer, location Kennedale, Texas. Finally, the 1975 AMC Pacer is a quirky classic that's perfect for someone looking for a unique project. This Pacer is complete with no significant rust, and it's ready to be restored or even modified to fit your style. At just $1,000, this Pacer is an affordable entry into the world of classic car projects. Car number 12, 1976 Chevrolet Nova, $500. Location, west of Magnolia, Texas. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova is a budget-friendly find for parts or a potential project. It's a 6-cylinder, 4-door model in fair condition with some rust and no title. Originally purchased as a parts car. Located in Magnolia, Texas, this car is perfect if you're after some affordable components or willing to take on a challenge. Cash sale only. Car number 13, 1964 Chevrolet Classic, 2 Corvairs, $1,200 for both. Location, Iron City, Tennessee. Get 2 mid-60s Corvairs for the price of 1. Both are in decent shape with minimal rust, and each car is complete. This could be an exciting project if you're into Corvair restorations, as you can work on both for a great deal. Priced at $1,200 or best offer, these classic Chevys are ready for a new home. Car number 14, 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix, $1,350. Location, Eagle Bend, Minnesota. This 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix has potential to be a showstopper. Equipped with a 389 engine, currently non-running, it's in fair condition with some rust, but comes with a title. Although it's been sitting for years, this classic Grand Prix could make a fantastic restoration project for someone looking to revive a true icon. Car number 15, 1962 Ford Falcon, $1,100. Location, Lake Charles, Louisiana. This 4-door 1962 Ford Falcon offers a solid restoration base. While it needs a new floor pan and doesn't currently run, it has all the vintage charm a Ford enthusiast could want. Note that it comes without a title and the seller is open to trades. A great budget option if you're looking to get your hands on a classic. Car number 16, 1976 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 1800. Location, Fort Payne, Alabama. Here's a vintage work truck ready for a bit of TLC. This 1976 Chevrolet Silverado cranks and drives with a V8 automatic transmission and only 44,000 miles on the clock. It's been sitting for 13 years, so it needs some seal work to eliminate smoke. Includes upgraded 15-inch Chevy wheels, plus original wheels and caps. This truck is perfect if you're up for reconditioning a classic. Car number 17, 1972 Ford F-100.
Yeah.
$1,500. Location, Moreland, Georgia. This 1972 Ford F-100 is a 4x4 model with a 360 engine that turns over when jumped. Equipped with a 4-speed transmission and toolbox on the bed, it's a tough find for any truck enthusiast. Hard to come by, especially at this price. This F-100 is a fantastic starting point for a classic pickup restoration. Car number 18, 1974 Dodge Ram Charger, $1,000. Location, Rockmart, Georgia. This 1974 Dodge Ram Charger is a solid project for someone looking for an off-road classic. It runs well, but needs a new gas tank and rear drive shaft. With some rust spots, it's currently running off a temporary setup. With a bit of work, this Ram Charger could be a great weekend warrior or off-roading adventure vehicle. Car number 19, 1971 Ford F-350, just $1,700. Location, Coden, Alabama. The 1971 Ford F-350 is a workhorse with plenty of potential. This truck has a solid flatbed, a 360 engine, and only needs an ignition module to get running. With a bit of TLC, this could become an incredibly useful daily driver or a rugged restoration project. Asking price is $1,700 and trades are considered. Car number 20, 1978 Ford F-150 Heritage, $1,000. Location, Palmetto, Florida. This 1978 Ford F-150 is a classic truck with a unique history. While it took a hit from a fallen tree, the running gear and 351 engine are intact. It's a solid choice for a bodywork enthusiast looking to breathe new life into a vintage pickup, but note that it comes without a title. A true restoration project, priced to sell. Car number 21, 1979 Oldsmobile Cutless 1600ers. Location, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The 1979 Oldsmobile Cutless is a 4-door sedan with a solid motor that needs a starter. It's been in the family for years, and while it's not in showroom condition, it's a good parts car or a potential restoration for someone wanting an Oldsmobile classic. The seller is motivated and open to offers, so don't miss out if you're interested. This 1979 Chevrolet Corvette is a true American sports car. Equipped with a 350 engine, it's mostly complete but does need a rebuilt short block. The exterior is in a classic blue, paired with a gray interior, and the car is in overall good condition with a clean title. There are some minor challenges, like jammed doors, but for a Corvette lover, this is a great find. Ready to dive into a Corvette restoration? This could be your next project.